Okay, let's talk about awkward ingrown hairs. You know, the kind in places where it's super uncomfortable to even look at, let alone touch. Been there. Totally sucks. I used to panic every time I saw one, inner thighs, bikini line even down there. And let's be real, digging at it with tweezers made it 10 times worse. Here's what actually worked for me. Warm compress for 5 minutes. Then a gentle exfoliation, no sugar scrubs, I mean like a soft glove. Followed by a dab of salicylic acid or witch hazel. That's it. No squeezing. No scarring. It stopped the pain. No more red bumps, and honestly, I feel way more confident now. If you've got those painful little monsters in awkward spots, don't stress. This method is safe and it actually works. If this helped even a little, hit like, hit subscribe, and keep your skin happy, yeah?